No opportunities. Okay, Taylor Reagan out on offense. There's a shot, a good opportunity by Taylor. Come on, Ray, get the puck, and we are. We're forcing them. This is what this group does. There you go, Ray. Nice pass. Come on. There's a shot. Got to get it on net, but a good shot by Maddie, and it's a good play by Maddie. Getting it through anyway. Come on, Maddie. Pinching in. No one there. Shot towards the net. Who picks it up? Come on, Kate. Oh, a good shot. Just tipped. Another keep in. A lot of sustained pressure right here. Let's go, Taylor. Right here, out in front. Katie there. Who's in front? Another shot. Just offsides. Go get Duncan. He says large regular Duncan. Yeah. I mean, I haven't seen that, but I swear that's what I read his lips.